the new Noggin 4Kids TV Extra.
Check this out.
Howdy folks, I'm Doodles the Chicken, and welcome to Life Lessons of the Day with Doodles the Chicken. That's me.
All about everything, one thing at a time.
Here's one of our friends with some of our life lessons that we learned today. Gee, thanks Doodles. Everyone, I'm here with my good friend Tori Benson, but you can call her Tori for short.
Oh, hi guys.
And today, we're about to show you the right way to sneeze with a tissue. And my assistant Tori here will demonstrate. You better watch it because this is television history.
I know how to sneeze the right way.
Okay, she'll be right back, I guess.
A few moments later.
Oh, she's coming back, and she brought a box of tissues.
Watch and learn, folks. Achoo!
You see that, folks? She just sneezed on a tissue.
Bless me. You see that? I used a tissue to sneeze with, so now I don't have to share germs with everybody else.
What part of the hygiene would we get if we have soap and water?
And I always wash my hands with soap and water.
And the fact is that you should only wash your hands with soap and warm water and cover your nose and mouth when you cough and sneeze. And the part of the fact is that you can drink plenty of water because it will be good for the digestion. That is how life depends on the healthy habits that we know. That's a fact.
And that is the best way to sneeze.
Oh, and that's how you know.
Oh no, I think I need more tissues right now. Achoo!
Oh boy, back to you, Doodles. Now that looks creepy. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next time on Life Lessons of the Day with Doodles the Chicken. That's me. This has been
All about everything, one thing at a time.